Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how to make animated video backgrounds inside your React.js application. So for this we will be using a very special library called as React Animated -bg. So this is the demo of the application you can just see on your screen. So we will be building here inside the browser. So you will see the background color will change randomly. So it will pick random colors and basically it will take the form of the video animation. So it's a kind of animation background that you can see here. Various colors are randomly picked and they are randomly suited. You can just see here, this is, you can also put a delay as well. This is the duration, which is 0.5 second. You can also put a delay of 2 second. These are the different kinds of animation it supports: linear animation, ease out animation, and random mode. This is random mode, and this is, you can just see, it is kind of disco animation which is happening. So 0.1 second, so the duration is very low. Delay, you can see it is 0 second. And the example 2 is this animated image, guys. You can also pick in images, random images from your local machine. If you don't want colors, you can pick images here. You can put a duration here of 2 second, delay of 1 second, transition type to ease out. So simply you can make use of images as well. So 4 people are watching the stream. So first of all, hit the like button, subscribe the channel. So you can put the duration 2 second, delay 1 second, transition type to ease out. So you can pick out images as well, random images from the internet. So this will be the application we will be building here, guys, in this tutorial. So for building this application, we are using a library called as React Animated BG. So basically it's a customizable React component library helping out to build out animated background. So the command is very simple, which lets you install this, which is npmi react animated background. So simply you need to install this library like this. So various examples are also there like this, so simply you need to do this. So let's start building this application, guys, from scratch. So I will go into my index.js. So first of all, what we need to do is that let me delete all this code and start from scratch. So basically, guys, now first of all you need to install this library. So you can make use of this website called as Code Sandbox if you don't want to build it inside your local machine. So just make use of Code Sandbox. So it's a external website which makes it little bit easier to make React.js project. So just create an account and now you can create a new sandbox account and create a React.js application. So this will create a React.js application for you. So after this, you can simply add this dependency, which is React dash animated dash bg. So this is the library we are using. So simply you can install it in the background. So this will install it. So after doing this, guys, it is very easy. So now we will just make this. So you can see that inside our style.css, let me also delete this. So all the source code, guys, I have given in the video description. This is my blog post. I have written step-by-step instruction. So if you want any sort of instructions related to this library, you can go to the video description link to download all the source code and read more about this library. So let's start building this application. So the very first thing, guys, you need to do inside this, we have imported React, we have imported the React DOM library, and we have imported this React animated background library. So just import this and also style.css. So after this, guys, we will have the functional component, and inside this functional component, what we will do is that lastly we also need to export this functional component. So for this we will export this. So for exporting this, it is very easy. So just make it a root element and just make document.get element by id. So this will target the element by its id. So the ID is simply root. So just pass the ID of root. If you see here inside, if you open index.html, we are targeting this ID which is root here. So we are embedding this React.js component inside this. So after doing this, it is very easy, guys. So we need to make use of React DOM. So we will type here React DOM. We will render out this component which is app component. So we will pass the root element like this. That's all that you need to do. So now guys, inside this, if you write anything here, it will print out. So you need to be having the return statement. So here inside this div, if you say hello world, it will be printed out on the screen. You will see that on the right hand side, hello world is printed out. So now what we want to do is that we need to make this animation. So it is very easy. So we will make use of animated background library. So inside this library, guys, this takes some options. So close this. So basically this takes some options here. The options are pretty simple here. Uh, it takes the colors option, colors array. So how many colors you want to embed. So this is an array of colors. Here you can use hexadecimal values as well. So let's suppose I use black color, which is 000. Then I use, let's suppose, white color, FFF. Then I use, let's suppose, red color like this. So I have provided three colors here. You will see that inside this array, black, white and red, this is the hexadecimal colors of each of these colors. Then we can provide the duration, guys, which can be in seconds. So we will provide 2.5 seconds. Delay you can provide, if you want to provide a delay in seconds, I will provide a delay of 0.5 seconds. And timing function is the animation function, whichever function you want to use. You can read the documentation. Ease out is one such animation, and class name is one other, which is I will provide this class which is animated section. So this class we need to create inside this file style.css. If you just move here, we need to create this animated section class. So just create this class here, animated section. So here we need to provide the margin from the bottom position of 50 pixel. So just provide this, and we are also be targeting the app class. We will change the font family to sans serif, text align to center. So we will align the text in the center position. We will change the color to white, and here we will provide the padding to some space we will give. So after this color value, so padding to 50 pixel. So just do this, and also we will target this class also, which is animated images. We will create this. So we will provide a padding 100 pixel 0, background size cover, and background position to center. So these are all the style sheet, guys, you need to write here. Now moving on to our index.js. So if you see here, we have provided the class name animated section. So you just need to refresh your application for the changes to take place. So now you can see that, guys, it is putting this. So we have pasted this. So you can see that it is having the duration which we provided, which is 2.5 second. And basically, first of all, it changes to black color, then it changes to white color, then it changes to this color. You will see that. So the duration was 2.5 second. You can also change this duration to, let's suppose, 4 second. And you can see that now it will be having longer. So now we have changed to 4 second duration. So this is taking a lot more time. and this has changed to white color. You will see that this is a hexadecimal code for white. Again, this has changed to this color. So I forgot to put this sign, guys, so that's why the red color was not appearing. So hexadecimal colors also contains this hash symbol. So now you can see this is a red color. So you can add more colors, guys. You can see that inside this, let's suppose I write 0 F0 and then 00F. So these will be random colors. We have provided the hexadecimal code colors. You will see that this is black, white, red. Then I think this is green, and this is blue. So this is green here. You will see that light green, and lastly this will be blue color, and you can see that. So this is the color animation, guys. So basically you will see that we have provided, this is example one, where we have provided the duration of 4 second, and we have provided a delay of 0.5 second. So this can be changed to any duration. Let's suppose I put a 2 second duration. So now this will change pretty quickly. So you will see that I can also put delay of 0, and if I make it 1 second, so it will change it pretty quickly. You will see that. So now coming back to the second example, guys, the second example is for the images. So you can change the timing function to linear as well. So basically these are the different kinds of animation it supports. So it's a transition type timing function. So basically it supports various kinds of animation. You can see that. So various timing function it supports. So you can give it. And lastly, guys, I will show you for images. You can also play with the images also. Basically you can declare a images array. So let's suppose I declare it images list. So this will be a complete array, and here we will be providing the URL. So inside the URL I will be providing the addresses of the images which needs to be fetched. You can pick any image of your choice. Let's suppose I pick my image here. So make sure that you own that image. Course issue can't be handled. Cross-site scripting. Let's suppose I try this image, copy image address. This is my website procodestore.com. Here you can buy source code completely. Just put some money and you can buy it. Let me paste this. Uh, Put a comma here. Um, and rest of the images let me copy from here. So these are the images list array, guys. You can see that. Now what we need to do is that we need to make use of these images. So I will delete this. Instead I will be writing for the images. So animated background. So inside this animated background, guys, it takes the property of the images. So inside the colors property, it you can initialize our images list array. You can pass the duration of 2 second. You can pass a delay of 1 second. Timing function, once again you can say to ease out, and you can provide a class name to animated section, and also you can attach animated images. So these classes we have defined in style.css. You can see that. Now guys, you can see the images are appearing here. This is my image, this is the second image, third image, and this is the fourth image. So in this way, guys, you can build out animated backgrounds using images and colors. inside the React.js application. So I have shown you complete example. The source code will be there inside video description. So make sure that you can pick out any images. So I can also make use of some other image that is hosted on my website coding Shiksha. Let's suppose I pick this image. I copy image address and once again I paste it inside this images array. So simply what I need to do is that put the URL property, paste it, and now you can see that this image is appearing here, guys. You can see that. So in this way, guys, you can create the effect here. It is quite beautiful effect using animated background. This is the first image, this is the second image. You can see that. So I have shown you the way, guys, how you can create these animated video backgrounds using React.js. The library is quite simple. If you have any sort of doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Uh, and please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well, whichever person is watching the stream. So I will be seeing you in the next video. Until then, thank you very much.